Why not just purchase any of the existing products on the market? That was the question I got when I announced that I was building a sales tracker app for people who sell via WhatsApp. I rather flippantly replied, don't like any of them. Which, while true, doesn't really answer the question, does it? At least not properly. I mean, why don't I like the existing products? Or for that matter, what are the existing products? Here's the brutal truth. I didn't actually find any app that I thought was suitable. Here's what I found. So I did find an app that can sync data between WhatsApp and Excel, so you can track sales that way, but it's not exactly a sales tracker app. And plus, we're trying to get away from using spreadsheets to track sales. My wife is doing that right now, and it sucks. So no thanks. Now, there are actual WhatsApp sales trackers out there. There are a few options, but they are all designed for corporate sales teams. And that's just not us. My wife is selling our own products. A corporate CRM tool would just get in the way. What she really needs is, at its core, is something that will let her quickly record sales, keep track of who has paid and who hasn't, and also who has received the products. You know, I actually considered using WooCommerce because we're also planning to sell online. So it makes sense, right? You set up an online store and then you log into that to add sales that you do on the go. But entering and managing sales on the go using WooCommerce is rather slow and tedious. So no thanks. So then I had a look at what others were using. And most other sellers seem to either use spreadsheets like my wife, or they have some kind of makeshift way of tagging customers in WhatsApp that I guess sort of works until it doesn't. So yeah, to my surprise, I couldn't find anything that I thought was suitable for small businesses like us, which is why I'm building my own sales tracker app called OrderHand. And my goal is to make it exactly what us WhatsApp-based sellers need, exactly for small businesses like us. To that end, please click the link below the video to check it out. You can join the waitlist if you want to get early access. But most importantly, let me know what you think. Does this app do what you need? Is it missing something? Let me know so that I can tailor it to be exactly what it should be.